In this video I'm going to be showing you the new O1 exchange. Now this is very new at the time of recording. It hasn't even launched yet. As you can see, market coming soon. They're potentially having a launchpad and orders. Also has a roulette function, which is interesting, and this leaderboard. So if you sign up now using the link in the description, you have the chance to become an OG trader, which means you are very, very early to this platform. Now, the reason why I've signed up to this, I currently already use Axiom Pro, which is the best on the market so far. However, if this launches and it becomes better than Axiom, and this becomes the main trading platform, I am already early to it, so there's an advantage to being early. Now, if we take a look at Alliance, this is the company that backs O1 Exchange, and this is a very big crypto funding platform. If you have a look, you can see their current startups are Synthetics, we've all heard of that one, and Defined as well, very big company within crypto. If we scroll down and look at the team, you can see Balaji, huge angel investor, co-founder of Twitch, founder of Synthetics, co-founder of Tensor, so some very big names here. So Alliance is clearly a very big company that invests in crypto startups, and they've decided to back and invest in O1 Exchange. So there's not too much to say about this yet, as we don't know what's coming for this exchange, but the fact that they've got a launchpad coming soon is quite an interesting one. And to be an OG trader, to be in before the masses, in terms of things like a launchpad, that could be very lucrative. So I've signed up to this just in case. You can see on their Twitter, still very, very new. They joined literally just last month, and they haven't posted anything yet, apart from this repost here. And not too many people that I follow are following them. So it is very much in its infancy stage. I mean, from me just signing up, I'm already an OG trader, and currently 46 in the leaderboard, so I'm bringing this one to you extremely early. Sign up using the link in the description if you want to claim your OG trader badge, and I'll do more videos once this launches or when we've got more news about this in the upcoming future. If you found this video useful, please leave a like rating, subscribe if you want to see more content like this.